Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how to off, and guys you want to remove this name password in your vivo phone. So guys you can remove, and guys now let's see how to remove this name password in our vivo phone. So guys let's see how to remove it. So friend, first of all open your phone setting to remove this name password. Then guys scroll it and guys click on the security setting guys. And guys click on the screen lock and enter your password which you have now guys, and guys click on this known option first and guys delete. So guys this name password will delete, and guys you can see name password has removed in our vivo phone. So I hope friends you have understood how to remove this name password in our vivo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends, thanks for watching.